The Federation of Karnataka Lorry Owners Association and the Road Transport Fraternity of India vehemently protested and expressed grave concerns over the proposed legislation on hit and run cases under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. In a letter addressed to the authorities, urgent appeals were made to reconsider the provisions that could adversely affect the transporting industry. The transport fraternity highlighted widespread anxieties within the industry, emphasizing that while they acknowledge the importance of road safety, the proposed law poses a severe threat to the backbone of the economy and the supply chain. Truck drivers and the transport sector expressed deep apprehension about the potential ramifications of the proposed legislation. A unanimous decision was reached in a meeting held on 3rd Jan 2024, prompting a formal request to the central government to reconsider the issue of increased fines and imprisonment. As a decisive measure, the transport industry declared that their vehicles would cease operations in Karnataka from 17 Jan 2024 until the central government reconsiders the proposed legislation.
Our demand is first thing to the center. The national government is, please withdraw 106/1, 106/2, which is a very dangerous law. We request you to continue with the old law and remove this new law. What do they mean by hit and run? What is hit and run? See, what is public has not understood is in this hit and run, is it affects a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, 10-wheeler also. But public awareness is not there. Why didn't the central government bring it to the public awareness? We heard this only in the parliament news, which is not correct. They should have taken the opinion of the public. Where is that happening in this country? Why are you not listening to the public? Why a government runs for the public, right? By the people, for the people. Then where is it by the people, for the people? In a democratic country, why are they not talking to people? Forget lorry association. Talk to the common man and find out, if I bring this law, is it helpful to you? That is why we are stopping, because if they are not willing to listen to us, what should we do? We should stop running because we are scared. Sir, a driver is asking us, sir, tomorrow if I run and there's an accident happen, not even a death, accident happens, what do I do? Who will look after my family? You are arresting me and putting me behind bars. So what do I do? So this is the reason why drivers are protesting. If you look at North India, it is burning. Because now they have realized the law. And public also should, I hope this comes in public saying that a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler also is included in this law. Deadline is, see, we have given time till 17th, we are calling, that's why we are giving this 15 days time. Because when they've already implemented the law without bringing it to any of our notices and saying there's nothing called abeyance. What is abeyance? What is this abeyance? It is not constitutional at all. So that is the reason we are saying till 17th we have given you time. Talk it out and you can bring it. It's an emergency. That's why we call this an emergency meeting.
What if the government does not listen to your demands?
Sir, we will stop running our vehicles, sir. Let the country run. Sir, it is our personal issue. They don't want us, fine. We are okay with it. If they don't want transport industry, we are okay. That's why I said we are 70%. And what respect we did get? Okay, you take Corona. What respect did the driver community get? Where once, anywhere they were called and appreciated. Doctors were appreciated, nurses were appreciated, police were appreciated, everybody except the drivers who did all the hard work. The drivers didn't get any respect. So we have to start working on ourselves saying, okay, you don't want us, fine.